Okay, just type your name. Just type your name. Others can follow, right? Others can follow, do the same. Just type the name. Okay. Then what you can do is go to the file. Others do the same. Go to file menu, and there you can select save as. Right. Then you will get the save as dialog box. So this one. So sometimes in Windows 10 you have to don't save. In Windows 10 you have to double click on this computer after going to the save as. Just double click on this computer or double click on desktop. Then you will get this dialog box. Anyway, you have to get this dialog box, right? So if you are not getting this, please let me know. Then I'll help, right? Okay. So then don't save. Go to the tools. You can see tools in the bottom. Before the save, you can see tools. Save එකට කලින් තියෙනවා. දැක්කද? Just go to tools and
yes sir, in the bottom.
So it's hidden place, right? Then use the general options. Right there, it will ask password to open. You can type 1, 2, 3, 4. And it will also ask password to modify. The difference between two is password to open means, so if you want to see, you have to give a password. So password to modify means if you want to change, you have to give another password. So let's give ABCD for this. ABCD. And then click OK. It will again ask what is the password to open. Again give 1, 2, 3, 4. And it will again ask what is the password to modify. Then give ABCD. So why it's asking 2 times? Because to get the confirmation. In mistake, if you give something, then you will not do 2 mistakes. So that is the assumption. That's why asking again. Okay, now save. Now you can save and close the document. Close the document. Now double click and try to open that. But when you try to open it, it will ask password to open. You can't open without a password. So you can give 1, 2, 3, 4 to open. If you give your own password, it won't open the file. And it will also ask if you want to modify, edit this, give a password. If not, you can open read only, right? So 2 options are there. Either you can open read only, or you can give the password ABCD to modify, right? So then,
sir,
yes.
If we discuss, okay.
Anyone else need help?
So but I can change it.
You can change it, but the thing is you can't save it.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Okay,
Sir, can I do it again? Because I disconnected.
Okay, sure. So you can share the screen, then I can help you. Share it now. Okay. Just yeah, go type your name there. Right. Go to the file menu, save as. Others can also follow. Save as. Okay, here you have to double click on my computer, right? Yeah, our desktop is also okay now. Right. Anyway, you have to just now you have to just select tools secretary. Just go to tools and then go to the general options. There you can give password to open and password to modify, right? So give anything that you like, so but should be able to remember, right? Then click OK, and it will again ask for the confirmation. Then you can give the same and password to modify the same and click OK. And now your document, just click save and your document is protected. Save it and your document is protected. You can just close it and try to open next time. Close it and try to open next time, and you'll see that it will be asking you the password, right? Okay, just write down the steps now quickly. File, save as, In the save as dialog box, select tools, then general options. Give password to open and password to modify. Confirm the passwords again, save it. So that is how you password protect. This is available for Excel and PowerPoint also, right? So you can password protect Excel and PowerPoint documents also. So this is not there in the book, but I have given this additionally. Why? Because you should know this, right? So what are the possibilities of saving? So you have these things in your syllabus. You have only the tools. So if you know the tools, you will get marks. This is a bonus, right? New, save, save as, and you know the types, right? This is a bonus. Okay, the last one that you are going to learn today is printing. So before printing, you have to do something. Go to layout. In the layout, you can select the size of the, so if you need A4, select A4. If you need anything else, B5, envelope, or whatever you want to print, the document size, select that. Then the orientation, it is also compulsory. So if you want that vertically like this, right, you can print. But if you need horizontally like this, just select the correct portrait, or so that will change. This is the print preview. And the margins, you can have normal margins. Margins mean the gap between the border and the text here, border and the text. Or you can have narrow margins. Okay. Narrow margins. Then margins are too narrow. And if you have, you can have mirror margins also. Mirror margins means, what is that? If you are going to print this as a book, පොතක් විදියට print කරනවා නම් මේකේ margin එක මේ පැත්තේ වැඩි. මේකේ margin එක මේ පැත්තේ වැඩි. හේතුව මේක වදින්නේ back side එකේ. දැන් දෙපැත්තටනේ පොතේ පිටු වදින්නේ. ඔඩ් ඒවා ඔත්තේ පිටු වදින්නේ අපි හිතමු දකුණු අත පැත්තට කියලා. ඒතකොට මේ පැත්තේ margin එක වැඩි වෙන්න ඕනේ. මේකේ opposite side එකෙත් margin එක වැඩි වෙන්න ඕනේ. opposite side එක වෙන්නේ මේ පැත්ත. So that's what mirror margin is. So when you are printing books, mirror margins is also good thing. Or normal margin දැම්මොත් දෙපැත්තෙම margin එක සමානයි. Narrow margin දැම්මොත් margin අඩුයි ඒත් එක සමානයි. Right, let's write that. Before printing, go to layout, change size of the page. Example, you can select A4. Change orientation as you wish. So orientation can be portrait or landscape. Portrait or landscape. Change margins. Example, you can give narrow margins, normal margins, mirror margins. Then file, print. Then you can give file print. So printing options I'll discuss next week, right? I'll discuss next week what are the printing options, how can we print, how can we flip the pages, how can we print selected pages. So what if you don't have a printer, but if you want to print, what if you can do? Even without a printer also, you can see how it is printed. Print එකක් නැතුවත් බලන්න පුළුවන් print වෙන හැටි. So that we are going to learn next week. Okay, we will stop from here. We'll see you all in next week, right?
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye,
Yes.
sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, you can ask questions.
God bless you, sir. Thank you.
Sir, when is your programming class?
It's in, so there are two classes. One is in Sunday 2 to 4. There's another class, 3 classes actually. Sunday 2 to 4 Thursday 9 to 11 p.m. late night. Next one is Wednesday.
Sir, you haven't give marks for my that term test paper.
I think you have marked it later, ne? Correct.
Yes, sir.
That's the thing. So still late papers are still not marked, right? Because we have discussed that. That's why. After discussing, I didn't mark that. Anyway,
Sir, what is the other class, other programming class?
other class in Wednesday.
Wednesday at what time, sir?
Wednesday, the time is 5 to 7. Yeah.
Wednesday.
You can just WhatsApp me, then I'll send all the details to you.
Sir, how can I join to the group?
Yeah, I'll send the details. Please send me a WhatsApp. I'll send the details to you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Right.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.